Motive said that since 2023, its AI Dashcam is estimated to have helped prevent more than 170,000 accidents and saved 1,500 lives. Now, Motive has launched AI Dashcam Plus, which features more processing capability and expanded safety focused features. To learn a little more, I asked Ling Lee, a product marketing lead at Motive, to help provide more detailed information. Let's see what she has to share. With it just being launched, can you please provide a brief overview of Motive's new AI Dashcam Plus?
Yeah, so I'm really excited to talk with you guys today on the new Motive AI Dashcam Plus and what that means for organizations that are trying to improve road safety and really try and get ahead of road risks with the latest AI technology. All right, so the AI Dashcam Plus is Motive's biggest leap in AI yet. It's first of its kind camera that brings improved AI capabilities, hands-free communication, and enterprise-grade reliability together in one unified device. It uses Edge AI, which means that it can detect and respond to risk instantly and without relying on a cloud connection. And because everything is built into one device, you get both the vehicle gateway and the AI dash cam unified in one device. Organizations get faster installs, better reliability, and a system that can actually see and understand more of what's happening on the road in real time.
Let's dig a little more into the increased AI processing power. What's that involve? And also, what does that allow you to achieve?
The AI Dashcam Plus is powered by the next gen Qualcomm processor. And what that means is that the camera will be able to deliver 3 times more processing power than other leading dash cams. Realistically, that enables it to run over 30 plus really accurate AI models all at the same time. That means it's going to help customers pick up unsafe behaviors like lane swerving, close following, signs of drowsiness, all with better accuracy and fewer false alerts.
I understand AI Dashcam Plus offers stereo vision. Can you explain a little more about that?
The AI Dashcam Plus is the first AI dashcam to offer stereo vision. And what that means is we've added 2 road-facing lenses, which really gives that camera that ability to more accurately judge how quickly the distance to vehicles and objects is changing. So it's very powerful human-like depth perception, similar to how our human eyes work. And then what this will do for safety managers is dramatically improve the accuracy of the forward collision warning alerts, lane swerving, close following, giving drivers earlier, more reliable warnings to help avoid these rear end and sideswipe collisions.
How does the two-way communication integrate, and what are the advantages?
Yes, so with the AI Dashcam Plus, we've also added hands-free two-way communication right into the device. What that means is managers can easily reach drivers directly from the Motive dashboard or the Fleet app to check in when something looks off, like severe weather is rolling in or they get a fatigue alert that their driver is falling asleep at the wheel. And it also works the other way around too. So drivers will also be able to say, "Hey, Motive," to instantly connect with their manager. So whether they're dealing with a maintenance issue or they're going to be late to their next appointment due to being caught in traffic, they'll be able to reach their manager all without using their cell phone and taking their hands off the wheel. And then also wanted to call out, in addition to the live two-way calling, we'll also be offering a built-in intelligent AI voice assistant. So that means drivers can use simple voice commands to do things like save critical footage, check the remaining drive time, or even find the nearest fuel stop, all again without ever looking away from the road or taking their hands off the wheel.
With all these new capabilities, what does all this mean to fleets?
Yeah, so a lot of new functionality coming with the AI Dashcam Plus. So for customers, that translates into several really meaningful benefits. With stereo vision, those earlier, more accurate alerts can sometimes mean the difference between a close call or a collision. And then our AI can also pick up those subtle risk indicators sooner, which helps safety teams coach drivers before something becomes a problem. And then since we run on a modern Android platform, we'll be able to rapidly roll out new, innovative features without organizations having to purchase new hardware. We talked about hands-free communication, so that means managers will always reach the drivers, and drivers will always have instant access to help without fumbling for a phone. And since we're replacing multiple hardware components by combining the AI Dashcam and Vehicle Gateway into one device, fleets will get more reliable performance across the board, plus cut their install time almost in half. And all of that adds up to a much stronger safety program.